Supermicro is among the tech stocks attracting the most attention because of advancements such as the DLC-2 next-generation direct liquid cooling solutions that aim to reduce data center power, water consumption, noise, and space while saving on electricity cost by up to 40% and lowering TCO by up to 20%. The solution offers faster time to deployment, reduced time to online, and accommodates warmer liquid inflow temperatures. With comprehensive cold plate coverage, it enables quiet data center operation at approximately 50 decibels. Supermicro's GPU-optimized servers are designed for increased coolant temperatures and incorporate cold plates for various components, reducing the need for high-speed fans and rear-door heat exchangers. The efficient liquid circulation and nearly full liquid cooling coverage allow for higher inlet liquid temperature, eliminating the need for chilled water and reducing water consumption by up to 40%. Supermicro is also now shipping servers with AMD EPYC 4005 series processors, offering improved performance density, scalability, and affordability. Their new microcloud multi-node solution provides up to 10 physically separated server nodes per chassis and a TDP as low as 65 watts per server, resulting in 3.3 times increased density compared to traditional 1U servers. This maximizes savings on data center rack space, power, and overall TCO, while enabling organizations to optimize their IT infrastructure for cost and energy efficiency. The microcloud product family targets dedicated hosting markets where sharing the chassis, power, and cooling are desired while still maintaining physical separation. For more on crypto and stocks, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.